This automatic 3-head powder auger filling machine is designed for accurate powder dosing. Servo-driven auger filling ensures high precision and stable filling performance. The 3-head structure increases production capacity and efficiency. Suitable for various powder products and bottle sizes. This double-head 4-wheel bottle capping machine provides fast and reliable capping. The 4-wheel system ensures stable torque and consistent sealing quality. Double-head design improves production speed for automatic bottling lines. The electromagnetic induction sealing machine applies aluminum foil sealing automatically. It creates a strong and airtight seal to protect product quality. Ideal for powder, food, and pharmaceutical packaging. This square bottle 3-sided labeling machine ensures precise label placement. Three-side labeling improves product appearance and brand presentation. Suitable for square and rectangular bottles in powder packaging lines. The one-piece film shrink wrapping machine provides final packaging protection. Automatic film wrapping and heat shrinking ensure tight and secure packaging. It improves transportation safety and product presentation. Ideal for finished powder bottles ready for shipment. Looking for a complete powder bottle packaging solution? Contact us now and subscribe for more packaging machine videos.